Oh boy, everyone, my heart is beating fast. This has been an insane move in the market today, dropping as far down as about $62,000. Now, my heart could be racing simply because of the big cup of coffee I just chugged before the video recording, but it is feeling like a roller coaster here in the crypto market, with literally every single coin pointing red and over $1 billion leaving the market in the last 24 hours. Now, some predictions from yesterday may need to be adjusted a little bit, so we're going to be talking about that in today's video. Lots of data coming at you. Follow along. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video, and if you enjoy it, please be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Rapid fire updates for you. Only 4 days left on our spring indicator sale. You can get up to $650 off. Sale ends March 22nd. You don't want to miss out on that. Next up, 160 wins, 0 losses. Now, from this drop, we do have a couple of trade updates, so if you are in our active trades, be sure to head up to trade setups right here and check your buy limits. Now, some of the most important content you can watch today. Brand new future forecast from the founder of Trade Confident himself. The crash is not over. Here's how low we can go, plus this data says we are entering the end game. Get ready. With how fast Bitcoin has been heading up in the last few months, we are starting to get top readings from some very credible indicators and metrics that you need to see. This is going to be talking about a lot of different forecast data. This is time-sensitive, actionable data. Do not miss this. And as a heads up, we're going to be buying $10,000 worth of crypto if we hit any of these levels shown in the video. You do not want to miss this. It is crucially important. And with that, you can snag everything I just showed you and more with a membership at the links in the description down below. From here, let's jump into the metrics. Down to Bitcoin, we're going to scroll down. Bitcoin Emotional Index is just about an anxious territory. In fact, I'm betting that by tomorrow morning, we are going to see an anxious reading. Very, very common, but I want to let you know, typically when this happens, whether it's anxious or fearful, a red zone reading is actually going to be very bullish. So this is exciting to see. This is part of why we're not worried. Next up, I want to talk to you about whale money. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. And in fact, I'm going to show you some data that shows you it is actually whales that were responsible for today's drop. Massive long trade sentiment amongst whales. This shows that within the next week or so, whales are very likely to begin moving money back into the market. As soon as we saw that happen back here, whale money kept moving in and didn't stop till we hit Bitcoin's new all-time high. This metric is going to show you where whale money is likely to go soon. But if you want to see where whale money is heading today, the whale money flow relative to price chart is for you. And this is part of why I'm still bullish. Despite breaking below the structure support, whale money has begun moving money back into the market. This means they are actively buying this dip. No surprise there. This was manufactured. This drop right here was manufactured just so whales could buy in lower. Simple as that. I'll explain that again more later in this video. But if whale money is moving into the market, we can be sure that this price is about to head back to the upside. No worries there. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, we did get a buy signal. It was a little premature in my opinion, but I do think we're going to be getting bounces pretty quickly here, so I'm not worried. Moves up are likely coming typically when we see buy signals. As I explained in yesterday's video, last time we got buy signals, we moved up about 84%. Absolutely insane. And if you want to stay updated, these Bitcoin metrics are for you. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to the Bitcoin metrics as well as metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Brand new feature forecast you cannot afford to miss. Trade setup updates. If you're in our trades, you need to check those out. As a heads up, indicator sale is ending soon and members get the best possible price. And don't forget our live Inner Circle Zoom Hangout coming this week, Thursday, March 21st. All this and more available with a membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is going to be the first link. Click that. And it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Price increases up to $65 a month are coming April 20th. As a heads up, anybody that buys now at this lower price is going to stay at that price no matter what. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Before we get into the live charts, a couple important points of data that I would need to show you. Bitcoin spot ETF flows. It is a battle between BlackRock and Black and blue for Grayscale. What you're going to see down here, the very last area right here, moves up. BlackRock was buying in like crazy while Grayscale was actually selling out. Grayscale had a much longer volume, or larger volume, I should say. And as you can see up here, Grayscale showed an outflow of about $640 million USD. As that played out, the price dropped, of course, and in the last 24 hours, $652 million have been liquidated from the crypto market, with 515 million being long trades. There's a few short trades. By few, I mean 137 million, but $515 million worth of long trades have been liquidated. And as we take a look at the live charts here, most of this likely happened right in this area. You saw a flash crash to the downside because, I'm actually going to scroll in here to make it a little more clear, whale money sold like crazy. Everyone was expecting a move up right around the $64,100 level, but this is not what happened. As whale money pushed down and pushed the price of Bitcoin down, the rest of the crypto market dropped. People were getting liquidated like crazy. And when we have upwards pressure diminish as long trades are liquidated, there's much stronger bearish pressure. And this is what caused the drop in Bitcoin, falling as far down. Let me get this cursor right here, as $62,340. Massive move to the downside. Now, I don't expect this to happen, but it is possible. I want to let you know a move down to at least $60,000 or even as far down as $50,500 is possible. $50,500 is my worst case scenario. I'm not going to explain why at this point because I don't feel it's very likely, but the future forecast is going to go very in-depth into it. Highly relevant, but unlikely at this point. It's more of a just-in-case type deal. 60,000 for now is going to be my main target, but if we break 60,000, there's very little in the way of 50,000. Just wanted to put that out there. Very important to pay attention to. Right now, indicators, let me actually introduce these. These are the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor. Trading Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame are showing bullish still. As we touch structure support, we see whale money is low, trades in favor is low with a 65% chance of a pump. Now we see whale money ticking up in the market. This means whales are beginning to buy, and we know that because up on this tweet, we saw BlackRock is buying like crazy. And I imagine, I don't have confirmation of this, but I imagine Grayscale is buying in at this point. And I actually forgot to pull this up, but yesterday, MicroStrategy boosts Bitcoin holding with a $623 million purchase, undeterred by market fluctuations. So right there, you have another example of whales buying into the market. This is part of why I think this is going to be at least the temporary bottom. Whales are buying in. I think we're going to see massive moves up, especially with the FOMC meeting tomorrow coming out. Most often you are going to see drops and then moves up afterwards. You're going to see a little bit of volatility, just beware of that. But as I said in yesterday's video, I think we're just going to be trading within this channel pattern for a little bit of time, seeing big swings up and down as we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving event, in which case parabolic moves are really going to happen. The price of Bitcoin should take off if historical data follows. And with that, we need to be watching these signals carefully. Right now, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low buy signal, as I showed you, is going to be very bullish. I think a move up back to previous all-time high at $73,709 is possible. If whale money begins moving out of the market again, this is going to invalidate that, and a move down to $60,000 is very possible. But I'm feeling pretty optimistic. Even if we do see a drop to 60,000 or even, God forbid, 50,000, we are viewing this as an opportunity to buy in at a discounted price. Call it a discount sale on Bitcoin, not a crazy drop that we need to be worried about at this time. It just means a great opportunity to buy crypto. And when you see crazy red in the crypto market as a whole, typically this is going to be a great opportunity. Not financial advice, of course. It could always go lower. But if it does, once again, just a great buy opportunity. As this plays out, I do expect prices to rise from this point with whale money moving into the market again. In order to call the top, I want to see price versus whale money flow high. I want to see trades in favor high and ideally a sell signal. Just as we saw right here, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, saw that drop in Bitcoin. This is how we're calling the next top. For some, it could be an opportunity to sell out a little bit in anticipation of the next drop. For others, they're just going to hold and continue accumulating on those drops back down. Once again, just looking for that price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low with a buy signal. Literally as easy as that. That's how you're going to trade. If you're a scalper, use both signals. If you're just a person that likes to dollar cost average, using just the low signals is going to be great for you. No matter what kind of trader you are, these indicators are going to do great. They're responsible for our 160 win, 0 loss trading record in the last 12 months. And as a heads up, you have just a few days left on our $650 off sale. You're going to want to take advantage of this as soon as possible. If you want to snag them, links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. And remember how I told you, members get massive discounts. It's actually much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. For your first $250 off with a membership, access the coupon code at this link, then click the Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $650 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for that future forecast video. It's crucial. Don't miss out.